Karan Johar's family members are now infected with virus. When the whole world is going through a tough time because of the pandemic, another sad news has come forward from the B-Town. Look like the deadly virus is not ready to leave the B-Town so soon. The shocking report that has come forward recently has left the filmy fraternity in shockwave. As per the current reports, Karan Johar's family members are now infected with fatal virus. Let us find out in this video which members of the Johar family got infected by the virus. It was Kanika Kapoor who got infected with the virus first in the filmy industry of Bollywood. Later, other prominent names of Bollywood stars like Hrithik and Varun have come forward whose family got infected. And now the virus has managed to enter the house of the prominent filmy personality Karan Johar. Recently, the ace filmmaker and producer of Bollywood took his social media account to share his unfortunate news. The director and producer shared in his post about the details of this unfortunate news. Karan Johar has revealed that 2 of his house staffs got infected with the virus recently. The director revealed when he got to know that 2 of his house staff members were not feeling well, he took proper steps. Karan has revealed that those 2 household staffs of him had all the symptoms of the virus infection. As soon as he knew, he gave those staffs a separate room in his house to stay where they were in isolation. So when he got to know about the 2 staffs, he immediately informed Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation. As per advice, the workers of the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation managed the test for every member of the family. When the test results came, they came to know that those 2 staffs were infected with the virus. All the reports of the other staff members of the house were negative, which was a relief for them. Also, Karan Johar and his mother, Hiru Johar's reports are also negative. Karan Johar's 2 little toddlers, Yash and Ruhi, are also doing fine and they are kept very much safely. As per doctor's advice, the whole building was sanitized by the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation. Also, other household staffs of the family were sanitized properly. The members like the director and his mother and children were also sanitized. A video has also went viral recently where the director's mother was seen getting sanitized. The whole house was also sanitized properly by the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation. Karan has revealed that though their results of reports have come negative, still they would live in home quarantine for 14 days as suggested. He has also said that he will ensure that his 2 house staffs get the best possible treatment and prays that they get well soon. The director has turned 48 years old on 25th of May, but he was not able to enjoy the day fully. He was not in a good place at all as he was worried about the house staffs and his family members. The director has also revealed that he is very much worried about her mother, who is quite old, and his kids as they are too young. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.